Did you know that it can take up to 1,000 years for a plastic bag to decompose? Also, single-use plastic carrier bags are no longer free in a growing number of countries. Let's face it, plastic bags have a knack for showing up where they're least welcome and sticking around for centuries. And their impact on marine life is devastating, with more than 1 million sea creatures killed by plastic pollution every year. Here's a solution to save money and protect the environment. Let's dive into top 5 ways to replace these pesky, environmentally destructive plastic bags. Number 5 on our list is the pillowcase tote bag. Pillowcases, frequently forgotten, can be effortlessly converted into a clever tote bag. It's a simple DIY project that breathes new life into old pillowcases. Moreover, repurposing pillowcases into tote bags can save a considerable amount of plastic bags from being manufactured and discarded. Instead of tossing away that old pillowcase, transform it into a practical tote and contribute to saving our planet. Claiming the number 4 spot, we have the eco-friendly option: denim bags. Those worn-out jeans to be banished into the trash, they're destined for a second, greener life as sturdy, practical bags. Not only does the inherent durability of denim make it an ideal candidate, but repurposing it also comes with a host of environmental benefits. By giving your old jeans a new purpose, you're contributing to saving thousands of liters of water that go into making a new pair and reducing landfill waste. Who knew those old jeans could carry more than just your wallet and keys? Number 3 on the list is t-shirt bags. Transform your old used t-shirt into a trendy tote bag. It's as simple as cutting, sewing, and voila, the bag is ready. Isn't that a creative and sustainable solution? And just like that, your old t-shirt has a new lease of life. Coming up on the second spot, we have burlap bags. Let's look to make these more than just simple potato storage bags. Well, we can repurpose them into eco-friendly bags for our needs. With their shape and design, making an eco-friendly bag out of burlap sacks is straightforward yet ensuring durability. Burlap sacks are fully compostable, causing no harm to Mother Earth after serving their purpose. Burlap sacks not only are potatoes' best carriers, but also contributing to greener living needs. Finally, at number 1, we have the patchwork bag made out of fabric scraps. Picture this: you're rummaging through a pile of fabric scraps, each piece telling its own story, and you're the author, piecing together a sustainable masterpiece. Did you know that globally we produce 92 million tons of textile waste annually? That's where using all these fabrics to stitch together to make carrier bags come into play. They're not just eco-friendly, they're also a canvas for your creativity. Patchwork can be fun and purposeful. With every fabric scrap you use to make a patchwork bag, you're contributing to reducing this overwhelming waste. Get to stand out with your unique bag, make heads turn, and spark conversations. A patchwork bag is a stylish carrier where Earth gets a breather. Remember, every scrap counts towards a plastic-free world and a significant reduction in fabric waste. Challenge yourself to create your own sustainable bag and join the movement towards a cleaner, greener world. Stay tuned for more sustainable living tips. Until next time, keep recycling and reusing.